Hello from Slovenia again. This is the third video with the same colors, with two reds, pearl white and gold, that I will try to show you the easy techniques that you can create some flowers with acrylic pouring with fluid art. And this is probably the most I started with those dips. This will be just dip, you know. I have some plastic bag, garbage trash bags on the table. Today is green, doesn't matter. And I will do something and just dip canvas in it, and I just paint my sides and my canvas with black, just in case if I will not, you know, press enough and I don't want to have some blank canvas underneath. And what will stay on the table, I will show you in the next video what you can do with that stays on the table, so you don't waste paint, that it stays there. I will just draw some square on here, just to know where I have to have my paint. And I will spread my black around. I just wanted to use the same colors, paints in all these techniques, that you will see the difference that it makes. I will put the other two links to other two videos into the description box and in cards, so you can check them if you didn't check them yet, and you want to, of course. And if you didn't check our Pour the Love big Valentines collaboration, it was so much fun, and today will be the second part with remaining 4 artists. So you can join us today again on premieres, and first premiere will be on Massey Art Studio. Jeremy will open today's premieres. Okay, my black is down. I will just torch real quick for these air bubbles, and my torch is empty again. I have to refill it. I didn't check my torch before I start. Okay, but it's quick. Whoop! Hey! But you have to be careful, of course, because it's plastic underneath. Okay. And you can do puddles, you can do rings, you can do bottle bottom and dip your canvas. But how I started, I just drizzle some paint into this, into kind of circle shape, and this was the thing that I did when I start doing those dips. And I will start with this cadmium red, and I will just drizzle some paint on the canvas. But as I said, you can do circles. It's not so important. And of course my pearl white for some lacing. and alizarian crimson. And maybe I don't want this red here. I will just add a little black on top. And whoop, this is Decoart 24 karat gold. I just have red all over my gloves. We'll just clean this a little bit because it looks that I have blood all over my hands and it's just not nice. Okay, and gold. I'm doing kind of a spirals or something, but you can just drizzle it, and I will add a little more of this brighter red. Maybe a little white. A little of this alizarian again. As I said, I will show you in tomorrow's video what you can do with this. You can use it as skin when it's dry, and I still have to do this video, or you can use it for another dip. And now I will place down my canvas. And you know, a lot of artists do this differently. Some of them press this paint with some cards or something. I don't like to do that. I don't know why, because I think that I smash my paint underneath way too much if I do that. So that's why I love to do it just with my hands, because I don't like to press this too much. That's why. And now I will try to lift it as straight up as I can. So I will grab it on the sides and try to release. I suction a little bit and whoop, didn't do this, okay, and straight up as I can. Okay. And here you have it, your flower that I don't like as much as I thought that I will. So let's do it again. I will add some black around because I think that I have my puddle too big, and I will just add some paint here in the middle, some red and pearl white and alizarian crimson and gold. Let's add some gold like this around, just to, I don't know, and I will do it again. As I said, I maybe even press it too much, because I don't like this pattern that you get if you press too much. But it's a matter of your taste. It's not right or wrong in this art, so I hope that this one will look a little better. And releasing paint, and hopefully okay, more like I want it to be. It's a little on one side, and this is why this happened, because I obviously didn't lift my canvas totally straight up, and as you can see I have this kind of side on one side, but flower on one side, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. So I will torch it, and then I will take you for a close-up, and I will, as I said, if I like this, what it's left on the table, I normally leave it to dry and use a skin, but sometimes I do some other things with it, and my torch died again because I didn't have enough gas. I'll just try to torch those bubbles as much as I can. Okay. And I think that I will probably leave this one because it's kind of neat flower. I don't know, I will see, because it will develop a little more. I should do this before, should check it before I start pouring, but now it is what it is. So this is it, guys. I will take you down for a close-up. Again. So here is the flower now, and I think that now it looks really neat, and I like this gold addition on the outside because it kind of looks wispy and beautiful. And as you can see, I did get quite a lot of lacing from this 24 karat gold and pearl white, so I'm happy now because it does look like a 3D kind of, you see, with those lacing and everything. So I will say that I'm happy, and this is what it is on the table. I really like this, so, but because I have a lot of skins that I have to use, probably I will just try to show you another technique, but I promise that I will show you the way how I use my skins for another painting. Just so many projects that I have lately that I just didn't find time till today to do this. So, but I will. I have one video already, but it's way back, so maybe I can do it again. So this is it, and I think that it's pretty easy technique with neat flowers without you know that you have to know how to draw a flower or whatever, and you can get some really nice looking flower effects just with drizzling some paint and do a dip. And I like those cells around, you see, like, I don't know, I like it. So this is it for today, and it will be another 2, 3 or 4 videos with these colors. Maybe I should choose different colors, but I didn't want to be too complicated, and I just chose these reds and gold and black and white just to show you simple. And of course you can use a lot of other colors to do that. So this was the third one, and join me tomorrow for the fourth technique of flower dips. Bye, and happy Valentine's, and see you on the next one. Bye.